Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That was so cringe, but I love that for me. I need to stop doing this because it's really annoying. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'm doing another Shein haul. Shein, Shine, call it what you want. People get really annoyed that I call it Shein. I don't care, neither should you. Anyways, I do have a discount code with Shein. It is Q15 Chyna. Use it if you want. It's up to you. Get 15% off or don't. Lose out, you snooze, you lose. This is a very autumn winter haul. It is mainly just coats, I will be honest. I've just popped on this seamless jumpsuit just because it's easy, you know, just so I can just whack the coats on while I'm talking to you. We're going to be super quick. We're not going to mess about as you do. Let's get on to the first one. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the video. How rude of me. I just spoke 1,000 miles per hour. It's not even been a minute yet. Let's get on to our first coat. You might not be able to see this that well because I'm wearing black, but unfortunately it's just how it's got to be. I love this coat so much. Let me come closer quickly so you can see it. I am out of pan. Out of pan? Out of view. I don't know. It is a really thick and padded puffer coat. So good for autumn, winter. Got your little flaps so you can obviously hide your neck when you're cold. It does have a hood, which I'll demonstrate for you now. Very good. Very structured one. It does have pockets. I wouldn't be showing you this if it didn't have pockets because I would probably be down the courthouse suing. Jokes. Let's not joke about that. It's not funny. Anyways, it is like a maxi coat. I am 5 foot, so things do look a bit longer on me because I am a bit short. I like it this long. It's going to keep me warm. The back of my legs feel super warm. If you have a child, if you're old enough to have a child and you watch my channel, I mean, I'm sorry, I'm probably a bit immature for you. You're probably thinking, what the hell is this nutter doing on the internet? I don't know. If you're doing the school run, it's going to keep you warm. Watching your son play football or your boyfriend. See, you don't have to have kids. If you're watching your boyfriend, I mean, if I still watch my boyfriend play rugby, I'd probably wear this because I'd be so warm. I mean, I probably would look like I'm waiting on the subs bench to go on, but that's okay. It's super cute, super warm. Put a beanie on, put some boots on. It's a full-on outfit. I am looking like a PE teacher, but I don't care. Moving on to the next. I have another long coat because that's my obsession. Last year I wanted to get into them, but I just couldn't because I felt like they didn't suit me, but who cares? Who cares? Chocolate brown number. You already know what I'm going to say. I am going to say wear beige and nude under this because that is fit. And this full length coat is giving me melted chocolate bar. I'm on the shelf. Are you going to pick me? Are you going to pick me? It is more of like a shiny material, but that's okay. A little bit of a wet look. Zips up to here, sorry, which is so good because it'll keep your neck warm. Again, with the hood, I'll put the hood on just so you can see. Where's the hood gone? Here we go. Here we go. Nice. You may have spotted, it does have a belt, which I'm so happy about because then it can cinch you in. If you was to do it up, you don't have to do it up, it's up to you. You can add a bit of figure in there. I mean, you tie it tighter because it's coming loose. How nice. Beige pair of boots, beige faux leather leggings, knitted jumper. This would look unreal. Again, obsessed with the full length. Does it have pockets? I can't remember. Stop it. Stop it, does it not? Oh, they're zipped up. That's okay. They're zipped up. Don't be alarmed. Oh, I just wanted to point out, I like this as well. Can you see this? Don't know. Whatever this is. This like double panelling? I don't know. By the way, cheeky little promo here. If you don't follow me on TikTok, please do because I make videos just like here but shorter and more annoying. And more often because my YouTube game is pants. Never say the word pants again. That was cringe. Just a little bit of a promo. I'm now absolutely freezing now taking them coats off. God, it's getting a bit chilly. On to the next. This is not a blanket. It may look like a blanket and it does kind of feel like a blanket, but it is in fact a teddy coat. I love teddy coats. I love them so much. However, this is more different to like ones I already have because as you can see, it is more free flowing. It is basically like I just put a blanket on. So it doesn't have that typical structure that a teddy coat does have. I do have another one in there, so I'll show you the difference. But if you can see, like I can do this with ease and it's just like really flexible and flowing. it is flowing. It just has no structure to it, but that doesn't mean that it's not nice quality. Like, it does feel really soft and comfortable. It's definitely keeping me warm. I'm literally wrapped up in a blanket right now. Absolutely obsessed. Does this... Don't do this to me again. No. You're lying. Sorry, but she's just been knocked down in points. She doesn't have pockets. As you can see, again, I love a long one because I'm liking long coats at the mo. It's the thing. Again, with this chocolate brown colour, this is more structured. Can you see? Like, if it's got this in it, I feel like that's when it's more structured. But can you see? It just sits more like a coat and not like a blanket, if you get what I mean. Still, same kind of length. I'm loving long coats this winter. I feel like it's just the way forward, because if the wind's blowing that way, your legs aren't getting cold, are they? Because you've got this protective shield. This one does have pockets. Again, with the beige tones under this. If you want to see any of this styled, do let me know. Just comment down below and I'll do a TikTok on it. Or I can just comment below some outfit inspo for you. But it's all the same kind of outfits. Like, I'd wear the same outfits with all these coats because they'd all just go. And they're all things most of us have in our wardrobe, like a pair of leggings, a knitted jumper, boots, possibly a beanie if you like beanies. And I just feel like a teddy coat is just essential. I don't know what I'd say which colours get out of the two. Knowing me, both. I love both, to be honest. They'll both go with either. You can also get some black and possibly white as well, so black would go with most things. But if you are wanting any, I'd say maybe this one, just because it's like darker. I find this easier to style for some people. Oh, this one, I'm so excited about this one. Now, I'm not sure what Shein haul I'm posting before or after. I have two on the way right now, because right now my motivation for editing is down the drain. I don't know why. I do know why. I'm just so busy. I haven't got time to do it. I got this in like a mocha kind of grey colour. I got it in the black because I love it. Look how cropped it is. Just needed it. It's giving me like Kim K kind of vibes. Kim K vibes without the Kim K, obviously. It would look so nice with cargos and stuff, but I just wanted a cropped puffer jacket for so long. I don't know why. I just do. And I like the big collar. I feel like with some glasses, this would look really like bad. Bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. I don't know the rest of the words. You can wear some dunks with this, have a cool little outfit. I mean, you probably will be a bit cold because it is more of like an accessory, but that's fine. Really padded. I don't know if it's got pockets. I mean, you wouldn't want your hands up there anyway, so who cares? I got this jacket, however, I'm not really sure on it. You'll have to let me know what you think, because I'm not really sure if I like it, to be honest with you. It is cute, just maybe with the right outfit. I just feel like I'm not feeling this brown. I chose it. So that's my own fault. No one's fault but myself. Super soft. Can you see that? Really fluffy, nice quality material. It's really cute. You could wear it with something like this or a knitted jumper. I don't really know. I'm just not feeling it. And I wish it was like fluffy on the inside as well. But that's fine. It does zip up. Has pockets. But if this is your style and you really like it, then get it, you know. Oh, the inside pockets are fluffy, so that's good, so your hands are going to keep warm. But yeah, I don't know, it's just something about it. Can you guys pinpoint what about it I'm not sure on? Because I don't know. I also got this coat. It really reminds me of like skiing, or this Fendi coat. I've got this Fendi coat and it really reminds me of that. I like the fit collar again because it wrap it around, it's going to keep you super warm. It's got a hood. The only thing I didn't like, and I mean don't like dislike, this iridescent badge it's got on. If I could rip it off, I would. I just don't like that. I don't know why. I just don't like it. I find it annoying and ugly and it needs to go. But if you like it, that's okay. That's okay. We all have different preferences and we all have different styles. That's okay. That's the whole point in fashion, you know. But I do like the fit of it. I feel like it fits me really well. It's perfect length. These are cuffed, which is amazing for me. I love the cream colour. It's just amazing. Again, with a cream outfit. You can wear just like a plain white tracksuit with this. That could be cool. I need a drink break because I'm speaking so fast that I can't even understand myself. Someone commented on my TikTok the other day saying that, one, that they can't understand me half the time, and I was like, fair enough. And then someone said that I speak like a Sims character, but I feel like I do talk like that because I speak so fast. Like, I don't understand how you understand me. I feel like, especially if you're from a different country, like if you're from America or anywhere else, you're probably thinking, what on earth is she saying? Let's take a pause from coats for a minute. They're still coming, but I got this little fleece. I don't know why I wanted a fleece, to be honest. It is quite cute. I feel like with a pair of Uggs and high knee socks, that would look... High knee socks? No, like half socks? What are they called? Like, not calf. With some Uggs, this would look really cute. It's a really nice colour as well. Good quality. It has a zip. You can either have it zipped up or unzipped. But I feel like if I was to wear this, I would have it unzipped. I mean, there's nothing to say about it, really. It's got a little badgy badge. If you like fleeces, then this is one for you. And we are back onto the coats. That was a very short interval, but we are back. This coat is absolutely giving me Zara vibes. Do they have Zara in America? I feel like I've got so many new American followers at the moment. I've got a question for anyone that's American and follows me. First of all, can you understand me? Because I feel like you can't, because I speak so fast. Also, if you're American, please stop taking the piss out of the way I say khaki. In the UK, we call beige khaki. You guys call beige khaki. Either way, stop taking the piss out of me. It's annoying. And also, why do you watch me? Anyways, this looks like Zara. Oh, that was the question. Do you have Zara in America? Because I know they have in Italy, because I went to Italy. I went to Italy, guys, if I haven't mentioned it enough. How cute is this? It's like faux leather, really thick as well. Then it's got the borg here, 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 everywhere. It was just a little gem I found on Shein while I was scrolling, about to check out. And I was really happy with it. Like, the inside's borg, feels good quality. It's giving... What is this giving? I don't know. I can see it. I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder. But I don't know what I look like. I can't think. I've been looking for a bomber jacket for so long, so I got, ooh, this one. Although, I'm still looking for a bomber jacket because it's not perfect, but she will do for now. The only thing I find with bombers, they just are a bit like pokey outy, so I look like I'm gonna walk through the door and get stuck. And I also wish it didn't have paneling on it. I know I chose it. I chose it when it had paneling on it. Paneling on it. But I just wanted to like it. And I also wish this like elasticated cuff material was along the bottom too, because that's just what I like when it's more cinched like that. But it does feel really good quality, so I definitely recommend it if you like the style of this one. Definitely get it because I think it's a good price, as everything is on Shein, which is amazing. It's a great jacket to go with cargos. You can wear it with hoodies, you can wear it chill, do what you want. I also find bomber jackets on a night out don't ruin your outfit too much, so if you had like a dress, I just chuck my bomber jacket on and it's fine. Not to go with it, but you know when you need a jacket because you're gonna be cold but you want the jacket to look okay, bomber jackets are a good one. Another like Zara dupe. I have this in black already. It does smell like fish, I will be honest. If you know, you know, faux leather does smell like fish. Leave it hung up outside, out the way, the smell will disappear. Or just wash it, but I find it easier to just hang it up. I also do sound like this when I'm walking, but that's okay. It's faux leather, what do we expect? I've also got this in the gilet version in the black and this colour, but I wanted the beige leather jacket because I love beige. Hi, my name's Chyna and I like beige. Nice to meet you. I say it all the time, might get a tattoo of it on my forehead, as well as the words cute, unreal, and I'm obsessed. I might just scatter my body with tattoos of things I always say because I'm clearly in love with them. This has the cinching at the bottom, which is really nice, and you can actually cinch it in more with these little toggles if you want it more like cropped like that. I really like this. I feel like it fits true to size. It's really good quality, it's really comfortable and makes an outfit cuter. Another Zara moment. Shein are so good with dupes. They're just always on top of dupes. Wear this with Uggs, wear it with beanies, wear it with knitted jumpers under it. Cute. I do kind of look like Santa's little workers, but it's fine. It's cute. Again, borg on the inside. Is this borg or is this shearling? Shearling? I don't know. I saw the word once and I'm running with it. So it's got the lining, got a little thing here, although that's a bit annoying, isn't it? I know. I like that it's here as well. I just feel like it just groups it together, and then it's at the bottom. It's looking like Zara a lot. However, it is quite thin. It doesn't feel like terrible quality, but it just feels thin. Like, I could tell that it's like a dupe. Do you know what I mean? But saying that, Shein stuff is amazing quality, but you always get some that aren't as amazing. Like, but I'd still wear this, absolutely. Like, I'm not recommending it, but I'm just telling you in case you buy it and you're like, whoa, it's not as heavy as I thought it would be. And then I'll be like, oh my god, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you. So I just thought I'd tell you. This is what it looks like from the back, just in case you wanted to know. I've got these trousers. I'm just going to put them on over the jumpsuit because I'm lazy. I have been looking for some like plain white wide leg trousers for so long from the petite section. If you don't know, I am Shein's petite section's biggest fan. I absolutely love it. I bought these just before I went to Venice actually, and I put them in my bag because I thought, oh, I might wear them, might not. And I'm so glad I put them in my bag because I wore them the whole time I was in Venice. Look at the fit. They fit the perfect length. I was literally wearing these, a knitted jumper and Uggs the whole holiday. So you don't have to just wear it with like cute tops. That's what I was planning to wear it with, like corset tops and stuff like that for nights out that I don't go on, but in case I ever do. Or they're good for holiday as well. I do kind of wish they had pockets, but it's okay. Also, I don't like that the colour of the button is this and not white. I would have preferred it to be white, but that's okay. While I'm here actually, let's try on this knitted jumper, also from Shein. Can you see me from this angle? Can't see, haven't got my glasses on. I was so impressed with the quality of this knitted jumper. Just gonna bring you back up. Yeah, this is literally what I looked like the whole time I was in Venice. Oh, I don't know if I'm now wonky. But look at the quality of this. It is meant to go up like this, which looks okay, but I don't like my neck being cut off too much because just, you know when something just doesn't sit right with you, you just don't like it. But yeah, I absolutely love this. Again, I wore this in a TikTok recently and I was so obsessed with it because it's such good quality. I've never had Shein's knitwear before. Actually, no, I have. But that was just like a knitted sweater vest, but I haven't had one of the actual like soft knit things before. Oh, I actually got another coat. Soz. I got this trench coat from Shein because one of my followers asked me over on TikTok to find a good trench coat. Now, I've done so many Shein hauls in the past and I've bought a few trench coats in the past and I just haven't liked them. They haven't fitted well, but as you know, I am literally a lover of Shein's petite section. This is from the petite section. Perfect colour, perfect fit, perfect length, arms, everything. Everything is so amazing about this. Such an autumn winter essential. I've always wanted to be like a trench coat girl, but now I can be a trench coat girl. I've never been one before. I don't know how to act. Should I act like myself? Shall I still be humble? It comes with the turtle shell buttons and it has pockets. And it also has a belt. Oh, the belt's at the back. It's all tangled, but it does have a belt so you can cinch it in. Also, I also got this half zip kind of sweater. I've seen so many people wear these at the moment and I think they're really cute. You can zip them up or have them half zipped like I've done. I would probably wear like a pair of leggings and Uggs and like tuck it into my top that I'll wear underneath. But it also looks cute like this. You can just, you know, have it normal with some Uggs or something. Again, was really impressed with this quality and I think they're really cute. I've seen someone with like a striped one, so I might get myself one of them because I think it looks really cute with like a little mini skirt, tights and boots with the trench. That could look cute. And then I also got a pair of cargos. I already own this pair of cargos in like a beigey kind of colour, but they have an elasticated waist at the back, which is so good. Can you guess where these are from? Petite section. I used to have a chocolate brown pair of cargos from somewhere else, but I got rid of them because they didn't actually fit me properly lengthways, whereas these fit amazing. As I said, I've got the cream ones already and I love them. So these are just the chocolate brown. They fit so perfectly around the waist. I get an extra small, which is like a 4. And I'm so happy with the fit of them. You can wear them with like corset tops, crop tops, big t-shirts, hoodies. Cargos are such a thing at the moment and I'm in for the trend. Are you in for the trend? Let me know down below. So guys, that is the end of my Shein haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below any videos you want to see and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.